Hey guys, I just wanted to talk you through how to create a basic Mailchimp, like how to actually go into Mailchimp if you aren't already using it. So this is an intro video to Mailchimp. If you already know how to use Mailchimp, please don't watch this video, it's a waste of your time. But this is for the people that have never used Mailchimp before and want to know how to use it. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see exactly how I use it. So once you've gone to the Mailchimp website, which is simply mailchimp.com, yep, we're going to click on the link up in the top right here that says sign up free, okay? I'm just going to use a test email for this, guys. So I'm just going to use my personal home email address, and then I'm going to do a username, and a password. And click on get started. Okay, it will send you a link to your inbox and you can basically go to your inbox then. I'm just going to go to my other inbox and you click on the link to get started. Just give Gmail a moment, please, people. Pretty sure this is it. Okay, I'm going to click on the link. Okay, and I'm just going to click activate account. Okay, once we've done that, we're pretty much all good to go. So I'm just going to show you some features and a few little bits and pieces around Mailchimp. Now, Mailchimp have some awesome help desk videos and they're really, really clear. I love the way that Mailchimp do things. Just going to confirm I'm not a robot. So if you are stuck with anything in Mailchimp, do go to their help page and then search around for videos and stuff. But yeah, it's really super easy. Okay, I'm going to close out of this now. It looks like that's all working. Oh, right. Okay, I'm just going to go back. So I'm just going to log in now. And it's, of course, it's trying to log in. Let me log in using my new details, guys. Yeah. So I'm going to log in using my new details. That should work. Oh, it's telling me I'm not activated. Of course. There we go. I'm not a robot. Small technical glitch. We'll get there. We'll get there. Yeah, so straightforward process. Great. So it's now asking me for my first name and last name. I'm just going to set it up under my husband's name. Just because it's easier because I know he's not in the system. Okay, you're going to put in the name of your business and okay. And that's it. And then you're going to put your address in. Oopsie, sorry, guys. Okay, I'm just going to click continue. Got to put his proper address in because he might want to use this account. Continue. Right, does your business sell stuff online? Yes, it does. Continue. Do you have a list? No. Okay. If you have a list, you can definitely put a list in as well. Share your campaigns, continue. And then you can subscribe and let's just click. And that's it. Let's get started. It will walk you through the process. So the first thing is design your first email. We can just use a simple layout here. Okay, so we're just going to use a simple layout. Super, super easy. So we just grab some I'm just going to skip these messages, right? So I'm just going to grab some text. Yeah, you can put my logo in, whatever. I'm just going to save and close that. And then I can actually add it to recipients, etc. So just going to click finish later. Right, so no, right now. Don't want to do this stuff right now. Right, so we've got, as you can see, 4 different headers here. We've got campaigns, templates, yeah, and lists. And then, of course, our reporting tab, which we don't really need to go into yet, yeah? So the first thing I want you to do is just go to your lists tab, and you're going to create a new list. If you already have a database, you can export your CSV file and then import it as a CSV file here if you've already got people in your database. If you have just a bunch of business cards of people that are interested in your products or have been interested in your products, you can also add them in. The key thing is, guys, that we want to make sure that we are adhering to like GDPR and privacy regulations. So don't just willy-nilly go and add people into this. It will get you blacklisted. It's not a good idea. We just want to make sure that we're putting qualified leads in here anyway. So you can create a list here. I have a bunch of different lists in. You might create a list for new customers and you might create a list for prospects. If you were just starting out, that's how I would start it. Let me go back to templates and explain what templates is. Yeah, I don't use templates a huge amount, but you could actually create a new template and have it like as a newsletter template, for example. As you can see, there's a bunch of different templates that you can use, all kinds of different formats. With most of my campaigns, I use a very simple format because it does get opened a bit easier. But if you have a product that's very visual, it's a good idea to actually show people in your emails. For example, showcase your products and that kind of things visually. So there's also a bunch of themes as well. So if you guys can see, yeah, so you can use all kinds of different themes and just add your own stuff in. Super, super easy. Does that make sense? So let's choose this one. And all I do, I just select the theme, I select the template, I add my own text in. Yeah, I can also call the template something, obviously. And so if I've got like a regular monthly newsletter that goes out, I'm just going to use this one, let's say. So I'm going to create a newsletter using this template. Just taking a little while, guys, okay? So I'm just going to write here. No, it's just right here, monthly newsletter, okay? For example, yeah. And then I can just save and close and I can put different text box and things here. Yeah, and I can just save and exit. Yeah, and I'm just going to call it monthly newsletter template. Okay, so I could set up templates for all kinds of different templates and emails. Don't get stuck here, guys. You can spend a lot of time setting up templates and then not use them. But this is like a good, it's a handy place to store particular templates. The next place I'm going to here on the tab is the campaigns area. We are going to be using this campaigns area a lot. I'm not going to go through it right now because all of my campaigns that I set up on emails are in future videos and you will know exactly how to set them up. But all I want to say here is that if you do want to create a campaign, you can create a campaign that's a one-off email. You can create a campaign that's several emails over several days. There's all kinds of different campaigns that you can create. You've got many, many different options. If I'm just to show you. So there's landing pages and postcards and sign-up forms. Really, we're just going to use emails, to be honest. And then we have like just a regular email where we're just going to send it. We can send it straight away. An automated email where we can welcome new subscribers, say happy birthday to people on their birthday if we've got their birthday date, share blog updates, respond to, what subscribers are doing, e-commerce, heaps of different things there. That's really exciting. And date-based ones and, all kinds of different things. So also got plain text and A/B testing emails. So there's a bunch of different campaigns we can go through. For now, guys, don't stress about this. This is just an intro. I just wanted to show you the lists, the templates, and the campaigns. And the campaign templates that we're going to create, the email campaigns, are going to be our email nurture auto sequence, our live launch sequence, and our post-purchase email sequence, and they're available in future videos. I hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction to Mailchimp. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email or send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great afternoon.